Look at that. Look at the steam is still coming off of it and the blueberries on the inside. Absolutely delicious. Hi, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxie's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious oat blueberry breakfast muffin. Now, I'm saying breakfast because it's perfect for breakfast. I'll show you what they look like. Hey, but before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the little bell so you won't miss any of your notifications. If you love healthy tips and you love healthy meals, and you know you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will never miss another video. All right, listen. So these oat muffins, can you see them? Oh my God. They are absolutely delicious, scrumptious, and they're gonna keep you full throughout the day. All right, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make them, so keep watching this video. To make this ultimate breakfast blueberry oat muffin, what you will be needing is 3 cups of rolled oats. You can use old-fashioned oats as well. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I like it cinnamony. If you're not a big fan of cinnamon, you can use half of a teaspoon. Let me just mix everything together now. 1 cup of applesauce. This is the chunky applesauce, but you don't have to use chunky applesauce, but I like the applesauce with a little bit of chunk inside of it. So 1 cup of applesauce. Vanilla extract, just a pinch, not too much, or you can say half of a teaspoon, but just a pinch. I like to eyeball things. That's the way I cook, so I'm just going on that. Next thing, what you're going to need is your milk, and I'm using the vanilla almond milk, but you can use any nut milk that you choose. So 1 cup of milk. Everything together. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not subscribed, why not? You love healthy tips and great recipe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss another video. So I'm adding 1 cup of blueberries. Look how pretty. Isn't it so pretty? Look at that. And this is a very simple recipe, guys. It doesn't take much to make these delicious muffins. Now, the next thing that I'm going to add is my vegan egg. And I'm going to show you how I make my egg. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and 3 teaspoons of water. And this is what it looks like. That's going to take the place of your egg. And you mix everything in together. So I removed my ultimate blueberry oat muffin from the oven. And don't forget 375 degrees for 30 minutes. And what else? Yeah, so don't they look so yummy and delicious? So they've been cooling for about 10 minutes. So let me just go ahead and take them out. The ultimate blueberry cinnamon apple breakfast muffin. Absolutely delicious and yummy. Let me just break into it to show you what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the steam is still coming off of it and the blueberries on the inside. Absolutely delicious. I'm gonna have one right now and I'm gonna enjoy it, and it's absolutely delicious. I make these all the time. They are healthy and yummy. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now so you won't miss any more of these yummy recipes. Yes! That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. Wasn't that so simple and easy to make? If you do make these, go ahead and tag me on Maxine's Corner on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the weight loss support group. That's absolutely free. Don't forget about the 2-day intense cleanse that I have coming up. So I don't want you to miss that. All right, so go ahead, like I said, and subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. Check out some of these other videos as well. And what? Stay healthy.